This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Guys, it's May 23rd, 2019. This one here, I got a call for AC job. Guy just bought the house. He's got a couple of units over there, and to the second floor unit just hums. It doesn't run outside, so might be a capacitor, or might be on, might be locked out on low pressure. I don't know. He said he never changed any of the filters in the house or anything, so go out there and try to see if we get the unit running first, and then maybe run out and get some filters for him and check the charge. So I'm on my way there now and try to get some shots. Filters, but for now I just want to check the outside unit, see if it's working. Cooling. See why it's not running. Alright, so it should call. Might just be a capacitor. That's on. Might just be a cap. Might be mice. Who knows? Oh! Yeehaw! Wow. That ain't good. Might not even have any power going to it. I don't know. Might not even have any power going to it. I'll have to check. I got the disconnect off anyway, so I know there's no power coming in here. I don't see anything all chewed up. I don't see anything chewed up. We'll check for power, see if we got any power at the disconnect. All this stuff ain't too bad. Alright, I got no power. I got no power. disconnect back in and we'll go flick the breaker on and see if it trips it in the house. See if the breaker trips in the house. I don't see anything chewed up here. Alright, so this is going to be at the 30. Oh, she tripped right away. Something shorted. She tripped right away. So something shorted there. We gotta find out what. It's knocked out right there. That's our problem. We're gonna put a new contactor in and put some new whip in there. I got a new whip for it. That should be what that problem is. I'll get the contactor. I'll shut it off. Put a new contactor. Alright, minimum amps is 20, 19. So I could use number 10 wire on that. I got some number 10 wire. Maximum fuse is 30. So that's a number 10 wire. I got some 10 wire in here. What I could do is I could just pull these wires out and put new wires in for them instead of giving them a whole new whip. I should be able to do that. Got the power off, and I have the I had to shut the disconnect off also. You can see they're all chewed. Just double check, make sure that there's no power here. I know there's none. Definitely disconnected. Flipping nuts. That all knocked out. Wow. Flipping mice. Mice from hell. The wires just off. Look at that. That's bad. That's real bad. Breaker's tripped downstairs, remember? That's what's coming in here anyway, number 10. So check, make sure that there's no power coming in. Yeah, it's off. It's off. What a shit show, mama. What a flippin' shit show. Be easier just to change the wires instead of everything, right? I pull the other end off so it'll be easier to get in. Two pole, 40 amp, 220 volt. You know, this is straight AC, so it doesn't need a really doesn't need a crankcase heater on it. It's straight AC. It's not a heat pump. If this was a heat pump, we would have to go with do it a little differently. Straight AC, so it shouldn't be an issue. You heard that thing humming. She was a hummer. She was a hummer. What I need to do on this is I'll just cut these. Just cut these off. Like that. I'll stick that right inside. Put a new contactor in, and you can see the wires where they're fried, where the mice were chewing at it. So we should be able to turn it on. It should fire now. I talked to the lady. Her husband's gonna get new filters, so it should stay on now when we fire it. We'll find out. Filter on the first floor there. He's gonna need to get new filters for it. It's a pain. I'll start it up and we'll see what happens here. See if it works. I talked to the guy, he's gonna change the filters. As you can see, it's a little low on Freon. I gotta give it a little gas. So we got 37. That's way too low for suction pressure. It's our 22 unit. We'll give it a little bit more gas for the guy. It's a little low. The filter out. He's gonna grab some on the way home. And check the charge. Alright, see, I got the filter out upstairs. 39, 38, that's too enough. Alright, give it some Freon. Let it back, give it some Freon. It's a 22 system. I'm gonna bring the subcool up to 10. You can put it in as gas because it's 22. Mama, she's a leaker. 10, 11, something like that will be fine. To get that suction pressure up. Gonna pick some filters up on the way home, he said. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna leave it right there. It's kind of low suction pressure. I'm not really too happy with that, but the system's probably over-spiced. It's a little ranch house. I don't know why they got 3-ton on the second floor. I mean, ridiculous. For 3-ton for the second floor, should be probably a 1.5 ton. Subcooler's about 15. Superheat's about 16. Suction pressure's 55. I'd like to see that higher. I'd like to see this lower, but it ain't gonna happen. So that's it. As good as it gets. Is the coil dirty? Yeah. Not crazy dirty. Well, it's better than it was. It's definitely a piston. Let's see how it's dropping. I don't want to go much lower than that with the superheat. Start flooding back, you know. I'm gonna leave it right there. So I'm shutting it off until he gets the. I'll put it on heat for now. Until he gets the filters. Put on heat and 665 for heat. Alright guys, just left that job. I added about 1 pound of refrigerant to that thing, and suction pressure is lower than I like to see. But that system's way oversized for that little second floor. I mean, they should have put like a little one and a half ton, not a 3. So, but the guy's gonna get a filter on the way home from work, and I shut it off upstairs. Shouldn't run it without a filter. But the first floor one's working fine. I asked the lady if she didn't want me to check the chart. She said it's working fine. If it starts acting up, I'll call you. She'll call me back. So I left that one alone, the first floor one. And you seen what the mice did to the wires. I just slid some new wires in there. She's good to go. You know, you gotta kind of do the best you can with what you got to work with, guys. I mean, it's not always cut and dry out there. You know, so I would like to see that suction pressure around 70, 75, but it ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. So you do the best you can and move on to the next job. I mean, that's what you gotta do. Things aren't always perfect out in the real world, mama. Oh, Steve is working again, mama. Steve's working again. Steve is working again, yo.